The Kregel Exegetical Handbook series for the Old and New Testament are valuable additions to your accordance library. I'm going to take a look at the Old Testament volume on interpreting the Pentateuch and show you how this works. So if we open the table of contents here, there are 6 major sections in this work. So we'll have the genres of the Pentateuch. So we're talking about law and what the Torah means, and we're giving the Hebrew or Greek words. Most of the time they're just presented, so these are super beneficial to someone that has had advanced Hebrew or Greek classes, so the Hebrew or Greek scholar or the advanced student or pastor. In some cases, some words are transliterated throughout the work in a few areas, but not always. Plus, there's another good article here on narrative as well, so you're getting to see how law and narrative work together throughout the Pentateuch. Plus, there are major themes here in the Pentateuch, so things such as sovereignty and supremacy of God, seriousness of sin, and how does this look throughout the various biblical books. So how does this look throughout Genesis, the grace of God, and then some integrative concepts as well. There's also sections on getting started, so text criticism. This is beneficial in both Old and New Testament volumes, so you're getting those text critical discussions. Ancient Eastern parallels to the biblical text, and some bibliographical helps and tools for interpretation. So these rich annotated bibliographies are going to be super useful to that student or scholar as well. Things such as interpreting the Pentateuch as well, how to communicate various genres of the Pentateuch, and finally how to put it all together. So for example, it gives a legal text and then allows you to think through the interpretation of the text and the context and where does this fit in. For example, some of these holiness code texts throughout Leviticus. So take a look at these works. They're valuable additions to your accordance library, and they're going to open up all sorts of rich exegetical insights and just really help you study the Bible further. We have volumes for the Old Testament and the New Testament, and just take a look at these and put these excellent volumes to work in your Bible study today.